Our mission are international mission and national mission as well. We have tried different type of weapons from different countries. For now we are using the FN SCAR. It's a Belgian rifle. We have this rifle in 5.56 caliber and in 7.62 as well. We are using this rifle because it's versatile, reliable and good quality and very reliable in our country. For now, for example, this rifle is the rifle SCAR 7.62 with his foldable buttstock, Picatinny rail everywhere and reversible cocking handle for left and right-handed. In 5.56 we have the same rifle, the SCAR Light, with a different kind of optical sight on it, and two type of caliber for any type of missions. So we are using the F2000 assault rifle with its grenade launcher and optical sight, mainly for rescue missions. And we are using the P90 submachine gun in caliber 5.7, more for urban situation. We are using this SCAR rifle in operation because it's very accurate, very reliable, and is working all the time.